So I talk about why we want smooth flowing trending charts. Let me explain this in detail. And I'm going to take you through and give you an example as to exactly why we're looking for these smooth flowing trending markets. Bottom line is a word called slippage. Slippage is when we don't get the entry that we wish to or the exit that we wish to because there's not enough volume to take our order or for us to place our order at that level. Now what slippage effectively does is it means that we don't get entered where we want for one. That's when we're trading for a profit. The other side, which is the most important side of slippage and why we trade smooth flowing trending charts only, is risk. Risk comes in many different shapes and sizes in all different types of markets. And in cryptocurrency, it is no different at all. We need to minimize our risk at all times. Now, there are some things that are outside of our control, but the things that are inside of our control, we need to be on top of 100% of the time. I'm not talking about slipping and falling asleep and forgetting something. I'm talking about having a strict checklist to follow and being dedicated, being disciplined, and knowing what it is that you're trying to achieve. I'll say it again, trading is not easy. It should be simple, and simplicity comes through understanding and these checklists that I discuss. To understand trading and to be a successful trader requires more than just trading strategy. It requires you understanding what goes on within the environment that you're working within. If I'm outside cutting trees down, I want to make sure that I've got an understanding of where the branches are, where the risks come from. We need to do exactly the same within this market.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.